Welcome back, LHS.
We're excited for a brand new school year and to bring you a brand new season of Barry Broadcast. If you missed auditions yesterday for Bye Bye Birdie, there's another chance today at 7 p.m. Music's also available in Mr. Callen's room.
Travel Club's first trip is coming up in September. Permission slips can be picked up in Mrs. Sharp's room.
Book Club's first call-out meeting will be this Friday in the library at 8.
That's it for today's announcements.
Now let's get into the broadcast.
Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of the Barry Broadcast for the season. Today we're going to see what you guys did over summer vacation. Let's get into it. Hey, what did you guys do over summer?
Tennis.
You do.
I'm not talking to Barry Broadcast.
John Scott, what'd you do over summer?
Played some baseball. That's about it.
Hey Aaron, what'd you do over your summer break? Work. Hey Josh, what'd you do over your summer break?
Football practice.
That's it?
That's really it.
That's it?
That's it.
Hey, what did you do over your summer break?
I worked. That's about it.
Oh my god, everybody worked. Hey Brandon Fissel, what'd you do over your summer break?
Partied.
Shut up. What did you do over your summer break?
Well, as you know, I sang a lot. Grace Scott Band played
Right.
every weekend, and I did all kinds of activities with my kids, all kinds of summer sports, and yeah,
Nice.
just enjoyed
Sounds
the
fun.
beautiful state of Indiana.
Sounds fun. Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
She just plugged her band hard. Hey McMahon, what'd you do over summer?
I don't know. Nothing.
That doesn't even make sense. How do you not know? Get out of my face.
I slept on
Get out of my face. Courtney, what'd you do?
Failed online government.
There you go. Hey, Mrs. Myers. Mrs. Myers, what'd you do over your summer vacation?
What did I do over my summer vacation? I took over 5,000 photographs. I learned how to use the Tatler's new cameras. And so we're going to have amazing pictures this year because I'm now an expert. So buy a Tatler.
Everybody's just plugging their stuff. She worked. And she went to Mexico. That's better than work. Why didn't you say that the first time?
All right, so we're going to go ahead and go around and ask students how they feel about the no backpack rule. So let's go check it. Tell me, how do you feel about the no backpack rule?
What are backpacks?
Officer Benny, how do you feel about the no backpack rule?
I think it's a great rule. Yeah. I think it's safer and it's just a good deal all the way around.
First positive comment today. Seja, answer this question. How do you feel about the no backpack rule?
I feel that it's very inconvenient and dumb. Is that all? Thank you.
How do you feel about the no backpack rule?
I don't know. I'm not really crying about it because I get to class on time. That's how freshmen should do it too. There should be no reason for them to take that much time. 6 minutes is more than enough. All right.
How do you feel about the no backpack rule?
I love it.
For real?
Yep.
Oh, wow. How do you feel about the no backpack rule?
There's positives in that I don't trip over it, but it is harder for the kids to get all their stuff to class on time and to have all their supplies. So I sympathize with them not having their backpacks. But from a teacher's perspective, it is a little bit safer.
So is it a good thing or a bad thing?
Overall, I don't know. It's good and bad.
How do you feel about the backpack rule?
I love it.
You don't have to worry about anything? All right. So why the no backpack rule?
The no backpack rule for multiple reasons. One, for school safety, as a part of normal school safety procedures. Another reason, the size of the backpacks. As we know, students have really lived out their backpacks the last so many years. They've become bigger and bigger, full of more and more stuff, and it became so taking up so much room in the classrooms and being in the aisleways. You know, if you ever had to get out of the classroom quickly, you got egress issues to go around backpacks. Those were the two biggest concerns of why we switched from that. And the staff was pretty unanimous on wanting to make that change.
Dude, Josh, I told you, no food or drink in the Career Center, man.
Guys, don't be like Josh. Don't have food or drinks in the class. It's not cool.
Ish, what you doing? Give me that. Take this.
How do I do this?
Guys, this is what society has come to. You eat snacks and you don't know what books are. You know what I said? Kick back and don't grab a snack. Alright, get out of here. One more thing. Don't be like Mr. Josh. Keep their Career Center clean. Alright?
Okay. What?
My vehicle transportation got stolen.
Or what?
My vehicle transportation.
It was stolen?
It was stolen.
Alright. Well, looks like Detective Doodles is on the case. Take me to the scene of the crime. Yeah, alright. It does appear to be stolen.
Baby's missing, Detective. Where could she have gone?
Did you get a parking pass?
What's that?
Okay, I know what's going on here. Okay, since you didn't buy a parking pass, your car got towed.
Huh?
Well, if you don't have a parking pass, you can't park in the student parking lot.
How much are them?
They are $10 and you can buy them at the main office.
So where's my truck?
I don't know.
Wait, where are you going? Detective! Dad? Yeah, I got stolen again.
Hi, my name is Bobby Carter.
Hi there, I'm Mrs. Chambers.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss Steele.
Hi, I'm Mr. Saylor.
I'm Frank Pataxel.
My name's Kevin Reed.
My name is Mr. Piercy.
Hello, I'm Mr. Lang.
My name is Mr. Schaus.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Denny.
I am in the English department. I am a co-teacher in both English primarily and in math during one period. A fun fact about me is that I love to dance and I have choreographed multiple high school musicals, show choir routines, and even dance team routines. So I hope I get to do some of that at LHS.
I am a new school counselor here. I have letters of the alphabet H through MC, and I'm happy to be here.
I am Assistant Principal of Curriculum and Instruction, and I'm really excited to be here this year. And here's a fun fact about me. I can actually speak like Donald Duck.
I'm the new culinary arts instructor for Logansport High School and Century Career Center. I teach advanced culinary and intro to culinary. Fun fact about me, I've worked for the Walt Disney Company for 10 years before I went into education.
Former math teacher, now I'm working in the guidance office as a graduation specialist. And what my job entails is I'm going to make sure all the seniors graduate this year on time. Looking forward to wrestling season this year and seeing all the kids in the hallways.
I teach primarily Algebra 1. I'm very excited about being here. Previously, I taught at Columbia, so I'm happy to make the change. The kids are a lot calmer here, which is really nice. One fun fact about me is when I hit midlife crisis, I went out and bought a Harley, and I'm riding it on the weekends. So pleasure to be here, and look forward to meeting you.
I teach English 9 and 10. I'm currently working on trying to get through a biography of every single president.
I'm a business and computer science teacher at the Century Career Center. A fun fact is I like long walks on the beach and curling up by a warm fire.
New boys basketball coach. I teach U.S. government. I'm definitely excited to be a Berry and look forward to seeing everyone out in the stands this year.
I'll be teaching graphic design 1 and 2. And a fun fact about me,
Probably a weird one is I really like to read books, but every time I start to read, I have to smell my book first. Yeah, I'm that person.
As a sophomore at LHS, I know how hard it can be firsthand to adapt to the ways. But don't worry, I've devoted this very segment to making sure that the freshmen here know the unwritten rules of LHS. Let's get started. Rule number 1, don't walk at a snail's pace to get into your next class. Walking so slow in the hallways stops other people from getting to their classes, and it won't make you any new friends. But don't be like the Flash and sprint to your next class also. Rule number 2, it's real simple, but some people still struggle to understand it at times. Don't jewel in the bathroom, alright? It's not cool, it really won't make you any friends, and all it'll get you is a trip to Mr. Ness's office and a nicotine addiction. So just don't do it. Rule number 3 will actually require a little effort. Get involved, go to a sport, get in a club, something along those lines. And if you really don't want to join a sport or club, at least go to the student section at basketball and football games and get involved. Rule number 4 is an extremely simple but often forgotten rule. Take a shower, wear deodorant, brush your teeth. It's not hard. People sitting next to you in class and behind you in the hallways don't want to be bombarded by your BO 24/7. So please, for the sake of us all, just have good hygiene. Rule number 5 will actually not only benefit you, but it'll also benefit the teachers. Get some sleep, get some rest. Come on, it's school. I know it's hard. I'm not saying that you have to have an absolutely perfect sleep schedule down to the minute, but just get enough sleep so that you can make it through the day. All right, freshmen, if you follow these 5 rules, you'll thrive and make plenty of friends here at LHS. Just stay safe, stay clean, and whatever you do, don't slow anyone else down in the hallway.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Bear Broadcast.
Make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And feel free to tweet at us and tell us what you'd like to see on the next Bear Broadcast.